Hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Andrea with the Capstone team. So today we're talking about loan modifications and the process of them and how many of them are working, and if you choose to do a loan mod, what's the best way to get it approved.
That's right. And so the basis for this video was to come up with percentages of people that are actually getting approved for the loan mods for our clients.
So here's something that's crazy. Derek and I asked each other this question: how many people are actually getting approved for their loan mods across the board? Any institution, wherever you are in the United States. And so we thought, pretty easy. We can go online and figure that out.
Yeah.
How much time do we spend?
Over 10 hours.
10 hours to not find any website that's consistent about how many people's loan mods are actually working. We're talking about permanent loan modifications.
That's
we thought
right.
that was crazy.
Right.
We found one website that gave us some more current information that we thought was a pretty good website, but other than that, we were really having a hard time finding hard and fast numbers. And so that website was what?
So that was the Making Home Affordable website. This is the government website, the Obama plan website. And so what we found out from them, Dre, and this was just amazing to me, there are 1.7 approximately million people, borrowers, that are eligible and in the HAMP program. That's a loan modification program through the government.
Through the government, okay.
And of those people,
and I saw on the website, only 292,000 people out of 1.7 million had been approved.
right.
So what is that, like 17%?
That's right. That's roughly it. If you want to be exact, it'd be like 17.3.
Wow.
So
crazy.
Yeah, it absolutely is, Dre. So, and these didn't exist in any comprehensible, reproducible format anywhere else, and there are tons of loan modification programs out there.
Right. And so the challenge is that a lot of clients that we run into say, gosh, I want to do a loan mod is the first thing that I want to do. But what we're really finding, according to the stats that we were looking online, that a lot of these people aren't being approved. And
exactly.
So if you're choosing to do a loan mod, there's a couple things that you really need to know, or really three basic things that you need to know.
Absolutely.
What was the first one?
So the first one is to get a package from your lender. And they'll have a package for you that you can download on their website. So talk to them first, get the complete package, and then send it in all at once.
And fill it out exactly the way that you want. They are asking you to fill it out. If you think that you don't know something or are missing something, they'll call you back to verify. They won't. You need to make sure that you complete your package complete. There's no discrepancies. Everything makes sense, because if they don't understand your package, more than likely they probably won't come back to you. They'll probably shred it and put it under the file. All the other hundreds of people that are doing loan mods.
And that's a good point. So our second piece of advice would be to...
The second piece of advice would be to be really consistent. What we're finding is that the squeaky wheel in this case gets the loan mod.
Right.
So if you are not wanting to call your lender literally every, maybe once a week, twice a week, you're not willing to document it, you're not willing to find out exactly what is happening in the process, then probably loan mod's not for you. You really have to be consistent, and you have to be aggressively nice, but aggressive on your behalf. And then the last thing is you have to decide a certain time that you're going to give the bank to get this loan mod together. In fact, there was a story that we were just talking about.
Yeah, on one of the major news stations here in the Bay Area, there was a lady in the East Bay, northern East Bay, who had been going through the loan mod process for almost a year. And the sad thing, a year. And the sad thing about it is the day after the story, her house was going to the bank sale. So that's where it gets sold on the courthouse. So
in essence, what was happening in the story was that she had been denied twice for a loan mod for two different reasons. One was she made, according to the bank, too much money to be approved for the loan mod. The second was that she didn't make enough money to qualify for the loan mod. Go figure. Same institution, same bank, same person, yet they're giving her conflicting information, and while the bank is giving conflicting information to this poor consumer, the consumer is still being foreclosed on. So with that being said, the third piece of advice that I would really give you is give yourself a drop dead date that you either get a response back that is fair to you from the bank that you feel comfortable with, or don't move forward with the loan mod and find another solution. One of those that's really popular right now and a good alternative is a short sale if you're not getting back the response that you need on your loan mod versus foreclosure.
That's exactly right. So if you need more information, please go to our website, capstoneteam.com, and you'll find further information there. Contact us if you have any questions about what your options are, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much. Bye-bye.